rocking. No, no, no. Oh, what happened? I will show you my room, but it's dritty. Where's my keys? It's Subway time. Can you say eat fresh? Oh, can I say coupons? What's wrong with it? Subway, okay. I wanna rock with you, baby. Oh, whatever. Let me see what's going on in the world. I'm back in my I ain't doing shit clothes. Should I get something to drink? I'm gonna just clean when I get back because I'm feeling lazy. Oh, that's gonna have to go. That's gotta go. Yeah. Ooh, cornbread. Let's see if it's rock hard yet. Ooh, no, I can eat that, girl. Found me a snack. I wanna rock with your Bobo. No. Alright. Oh shit, I gotta find the Subway first. This is coming like they know the area. Oh, right. They call I'm mad that I have a key, right? A spare key to my car. And it doesn't work for my door. It only works in ignition.
Indeed, they got all of that, man. It's definitely going down. This
what you looking at, Poppy? I see you. Looking what you're looking at.
2280 Cheshire Bridge Road, fresh to death. It's gonna be crazy, yo.
Just showing haters that
I can't find it. I want to hear. Let me put some Bobby on. If it need, put the Bobby CD. Where's my song? But I stole these coupons from my mom for Subway, but I want sandwich get one for free. Girl, it's about to go down in Levittown. I'm about to get, and it got a sandwich, a $2 sandwich, a 6-inch sub for $2 if you buy a drink. That's it. So I'm gonna buy me a drink and get a $2 sandwich. Yes. Back out here. Well, they got some enchiladas too. We cater parties, but you ain't got no coupons, so when we catering this party, sweet stuff. That's the same stuff. Buy one get one free. $4 lunch. When does it end? What time? And a bag of chips. Y'all don't even need to be in my business right now with my sandwich, but I think I'm gonna get the buy one get one free and make that shit pop. Buy 2-foot-long subs, get the 3-foot-long sub for free. Who needs all those sandwiches? But I'm in a good mood today, you guys. Where am I going? I don't even know where Subway's at. I'm just gonna drive because I'm not doing anything anyway. But I'm feeling really good. Not to say that this is the end of the day and it's gonna stay like this, because you know how things work. Fuck, I left my money in the house. See? Like I said, you never know. Oh gosh, which means I gotta get in there, run back upstairs. I need to put that shit in the car because I'm doing the most when I should be doing less. Oh, I got my toes done too, y'all. Well, not done, but I gotta damn. Whatever, I don't need that anymore. I got a pedicure, and if I do say so myself, my feet are looking rather ravishing. If that's a good word to use. I see all y'all damn birds around here. Why?